Hello, hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, how's everything going out there? I don't know if you heard, but there is a new I-9 form. Yes, if you are not completing the I-9, I'm going to tell you what it is right quick and why you need to add it to your business and why you need to check out my new course if you have not. Actually, it's a revised course. I already had an I-9 course, but I had to revise it based on the changes that happened this month. So the I-9 employment verification form is confirming that someone has the right legally to work here in the United States. It has to be completed. Usually they will ask notaries to complete it because of our expertise in identifying people, completing documents. So we're often asked to complete this form. However, if you're in the state of California, you do need special training to complete it. You need a special bond to complete the form. So this does not apply to my California notaries, but everyone else, if you are not completing the I-9 form, you should be. So I'm so pleased to release my revised course, which meets all the standards to show you how to complete the new form. I also included in this course the re-verification process. So that's something else you will need to know when completing the I-9 form. I do have another video that would show you kind of what that looks like, a mock I-9 signing, because it hasn't changed that much, but you do need to be aware of the changes. And if you don't have any training on it, you definitely want to check out my new course. So that is the I-9. It's not that complicated course. It's available at Notary Educators. LLC.com, and please be aware that the I-9 form has changed. Employers can use their old one up until October 2023, but after that, everyone will be required to use the new form. There's also more than one way to complete the form, so I go over all of that in the training. There's also an electronic way to complete the form. I don't go into detail about that, but I do cover it because you do need to know how to fill it out electronically, okay? Pretty similar process, but it's still something you want to learn. I go over pricing and marketing in the I-9 course. So check it out again at Notary Educators LLC. We are there for all of your training needs. Until next time, join us over at Notary Educators Facebook group, completely free. Now we are doing Notary Monday meetups, completely free also. So take advantage of all the free resources that we have. And then if you need us, we are there for your training needs also. So until later, guys, have a good one. Bye.